6119 Shadow Oak. There's grass in the front, which is dying, and Jenny will probably recommend be converted over to rock. If you convert enough rock, the city has a program where they will actually refund in the form of a rebate a certain amount per square foot. You then, of course, have to leave the property, as does your landscaping. Jenny loves screen doors. This house has a very fresh, clean feeling to it. We have the blinds that we love, the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. The walls are a grayish tan color. We have tile through the heavy traffic area, upgraded, new looking fixture. Now we're missing a slat here. Sometimes we just replace all the slats to make sure they all match. So we have concrete in place, probably install some rock. Cabinets look pretty good. Counters look good. Space saver. We have really nice backsplash. Undermount sink. Gooseneck. Side-by-side stainless. Carpet feels new. Upgraded light fixture. These blinds are bending a little. I'm not sure if that matters. These cabinets look nice. Carpet looks good. Really high ceilings with upgraded light fixtures. They've put 2 blinds here rather than 1. I have a feeling Jenny's going to suggest changing that out to 1. No light in here, but everything looks fresh. Raised panel closet doors that look pretty new. Carpet and blinds look good. Same with this room. Everything looks very fresh and new. Looks like it's epoxied in here, or something similar to epoxy. We only have a garage door opener on the 2-door, which is totally fine. Most people in Las Vegas use the 3rd spot as storage rather than parking a 3rd car, so we usually don't add an automatic opener unless the tenant requests one once they're approved, or once they move in. This door also looks very clean. Looks like it was freshly painted. Coat closet. And in here, cabinets look good, as does the counter. Light fixture doesn't have any rust on it. Don't see evidence of Any recent leaks? We need a shower rod, of course. Okay. Pretty clean looking home.